Improve your eyesight and keep your eyes young. Hi, if you are new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and in the end of the video I always leave a tip of the day, so grab that as well. And my name is Al and I'm from yogagangia.co.za, and I've created this space for you to help you to learn how to heal your body and mind with yoga. We're going to do up and down viewing today. It's one of the exercises to improve your eye health or to keep them healthy. Just remember there are a sequence. If you want to do all the exercises, just watch video 1, video 2, 3, 4 and so on. So if you want to do all the exercises, just do them in that sequence. Okay, but for today it is just up and down viewing, which is going to help with balancing your upper and lower eyeball muscles. Okay, so the caution for this exercise is if you have, well, for all the eye exercises, if you have severe eye problems, severe eye disease, please first consult your eye specialist before you continue with the exercises. And if you do wear glasses, please remove them before you do the exercises. And in any time during the exercises, if you feel strange, like you're straining and your eyes are hurting, please stop immediately. Okay, and for all the exercises you want to sit comfortably. You don't have to sit on the floor, but if you can, that's preferable. So otherwise, if you can't sit on the floor, just sit on a chair. Make sure that both feet reach the floor, flat on the floor, and you're not leaning back, so you can't sit on the couch and relax and do the exercises. Just sit nice and up and straight, okay, with your feet flat on the floor. If you can sit on the floor, then you come with straight legs into base position with your feet hip width apart and the toes pointing up. So you need a bit of core to sit up. If you feel you strain too much and you want to go back all the time because your hamstrings are too tight, then sit against a wall. So you can sit against a wall or just sit cross-leg. Okay, see what works for you, because we're not worried about the body at the moment, we're more worried about the eyes. And whenever you do these exercises, don't strain your face, don't bite on your teeth, relax the jaw, relax the neck, the shoulders. Okay, and again with yoga, we try to synchronize the movement with the breath. So for the up and down viewing, you have your arms straight. So if you are sitting on a chair, you can just rest your fist on your knees with the thumbs pointing up. And you bring your head up so that the chin is more or less parallel to the floor, so you just look straight ahead. And you try and keep your head like that throughout the practice. Okay. Now what we're going to do is, as you inhale, you're going to start looking at the left thumb. So look straight ahead with your head, and only your eyes come down and look at the thumb. Okay? And it's only the eyes that's going to move. As we inhale, you lift the arm and you follow the thumb with your eyes, and you go as high as you can. And as you exhale, come down. And inhale up. Head stay still, exhale down. Inhale, it's only the eyes that's moving. Inhale and exhale. 5 more. We're trying to do 10 rounds. 1 round is up and down. So you're following your own breath. So maybe your breath is a bit faster or a bit slower, doesn't matter. As long as all your awareness is on the eyes and the thumb, and exhale down. That was 10 rounds. So remember to keep the shoulders relaxed. You don't want to strain, and lean against the wall. If this is very hard for you to keep your back up, go sit next to the wall. And when you've completed those 10 rounds, we go to the other side. We're going to go to the right hand and look straight ahead and bring the eyes down to the right thumb, and inhale, follow the thumb with the eyes as high as you can, and exhale down. Inhale, exhale, and you do up to 10. If 10 rounds is too much for you, then start with 5 rounds, and when you're more comfortable with 5 rounds, you can move it up to 10. I forgot now to count. I think that was 5, so let's do 5 more. Exhale down. And the last one. And when you're done, relax, and you will continue with the next exercise. If you only do this one by itself, then go into palming. If you don't know what is palming, see video 1. Rub the hands. When your palms are warm, softly close your eyes and place the palm of the hands softly over the eyes. And when you feel the heat has gone, you exhale, keep the eyes closed, and rub again. You can do this as many times as you want to, and place it over the eyes. And softly blink open your eyes behind the hands, and exhale, slowly bring down the hands. Now, if you really want to improve your eye health or want to keep your eyes healthy, the tip I have is your diet. Now, we all know the diet affects the whole body. So the cleaner your diet, the better your eyesight, and the longer you will keep your eyesight in a good condition. There are obviously other things. If you watch video 1, 2, 3, and 4, or the previous ones, then you will see I discuss what is good for your eyes, what is bad, you know, reading and bad light, and I can't remember everything right now, so just go and watch those videos and you'll see. And then I can recommend this book to read. I can't tell you what to eat. So this is a book called How Not to Die by Dr. Michael Greger. I really recommend. This is the best book I've read on nutrition. So I recommend go and read this, and this will help you with your overall health, diet-wise. Okay, they also have an app, so you can check that out as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time for the next eye exercise. Ariyong Tat Sat.